Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 best Texas lakes and swimming holes. Number 5, Lake Whitney State Park. Lake Whitney State Park is located along the eastern shores of the lake, which is a flood control reservoir on the Brazos River. Opened in 1965, the park is an excellent location for fishing and for spotting wildlife and birds. 195 species of birds have been spotted here, and include wild turkeys, bald eagles, egrets, ibis, hawks, falcons, woodpeckers, brown pelicans, bluebirds, and kestrels. On land, keen-eyed visitors may see white-tailed deer, foxes, coyotes, and bobcats. The park has campsites, screened and shelters, and group facilities. Day-use visitors may use the picnic tables and boat slips, and they are welcome to enjoy recreational activities on the water. Number 4, Possum Kingdom State Park. Just an hour west of the Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area is Possum Kingdom State Park with miles of shoreline on the clear blue lake. The 1,500-acre state park was constructed in the 1940s by the Civilian Conservation Corps and is now a popular destination for fishing, swimming, boating, water skiing, scuba diving, and snorkeling. Visitors to the park can cast their line from the fishing pier, from the comfort of their own boat, or from a canoe rented from the park's marina. Catch in the lake includes largemouth, striped, and white bass, channel and blue catfish, and white crappie. Also available at the marina are wakeboards, kneeboards, water skis, and tubes for fun out on the lake. Number 3, Toledo Bend Lake. Toledo Bend Lake is a reservoir on the Sabine River in both Texas and Louisiana. Most of its surface area is in Louisiana. It is the largest reservoir in the south, and the damming of the Sabine River took place in 1969 by the Sabine River Authority. With 1,200 miles of shoreline, the lake is a beautiful location for recreation, as it is set amongst lovely rolling hills and pine trees. Its sandy beaches make it an ideal place for building sandcastles, picnicking, and swimming, while its calm waters are a lovely place for boating, as long as boaters stay within the marked boat lanes. Number 2, Canyon Lake. Canyon Lake is a reservoir on the Guadalupe River in the lovely Texas Hill Country. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers dammed the river to provide flood control and formed 8 parks around the lake that are still in use by visitors and locals wishing to swim, go boating, camp, or have a picnic next to a pristine lake with great views of the surrounding hills. There are boat ramps in the calm country portion of the lake, and excellent fishing for largemouth, striped, and white bass as well as catfish. Canyon Lake Gorge gives guided tours of the rock strata, which is more than 100 million years old and has fossils and a set of dinosaur footprints. Number 1, Ladybird Lake. Ladybird Lake, an urban lake situated in downtown Austin, was formed by the 1960 damming of the Colorado River with the Longhorn Dam. The dam was erected for flood control and for recreation, and the lake named for Lady Bird Johnson, former First Lady of the United States and longtime Austin resident. The lake is surrounded with hotels and apartment blocks, but there are also plenty of parks, including Auditorium Shores on its south side where open-air concerts are performed, and Zilker Park, Austin's largest park from which canoers, kayakers, and rowers can launch. No motorized watercraft are permitted on Ladybird Lake. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.